This is Trivia for Kids, where it's not just for adults anymore.
Hello!
Hi!
Welcome to another episode of Trivia for Kids, the podcast. My name is Casey.
And I'm Ren.
You are, and I'm
Yeah.
Casey.
Yeah.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm great, but do you know what would make me even happier?
Jokes.
A couple of jokes.
I'm too good.
You're too good. Our first joke comes from listener Aubrey
Thank you, Aubrey.
and her sister Alana.
Thank you, Alana.
What is a cat's favorite color?
Purple.
Purple. I wish there were cats that were colored purple. That'd be
That's
awesome.
cool.
That would be so cool. Our next joke comes from Rebecca and Ewan.
Thank you, Rebecca and Ewan.
Do you know where they're from?
Kenya.
Australia. Good day, Rebecca
nice.
and Ewan. Why is Cinderella so bad at sports?
Because she always runs away from the ball.
Because she has a pumpkin for a coach and she runs away from the ball. You are right. Good job. Our next joke comes from Anna.
Thank you, Anna.
What did the cat say after making a bad joke?
Meowch.
Just kidding. And our last joke comes from listener Bowen.
Thank you, Bowen.
How do cows tell coyotes their name?
With music?
Cow!
That's funny.
I love it. Thanks for the jokes, everybody. All right, it is time to learn some stuff and do some trivia. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Here's how the show works. Trivia for Kids consists of 5 rounds with 7 questions each. We will announce the answers at the end of each round. Each new round will have a different category. After the 5th round, we will have the final exam, which will test you on the toughest questions we have covered in the previous rounds. Everyone ready? Let's get started.
Round number 1, the category is Name That Sound. I will play a sound and you tell me what it is. Question 1. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Parent challenge. And now the answers to round 1. Ren, this is your first time doing Name the Sound. How good are you at sound recognition?
I think I'm pretty good at it, but we'll see.
All right, here is question number 1.
A keyboard.
Yes, that is correct. Keyboard or a typewriter or a computer. Yes, typing is correct. Are you good at typing?
No.
Question 2.
Is it like lightning and Rain.
It is a thunderstorm. Best conditions for sleeping, I would say. I love a good rainstorm and a great night's sleep. Do you sleep in the rain or does it scare you?
I cannot sleep if anything is loud.
Question 3.
Is it like a swamp, like with like frogs and...
Yep, those are croaking leopard frogs. You are right. Good job. Another great sound for sleeping, I think. Well, I don't know. Maybe for a little bit, but then I think I'd be like, all right, frogs.
Yeah.
Time to shut it down.
It get annoying fast.
Question 4.
Is that a police siren or an ambulance siren?
Yep, police, ambulance, fire truck. They kind of all
Sound
have,
the same.
yeah, they kind of all have the same
Ambulance
sound.
is a little higher.
You think so?
Yeah,
I wonder if they have specific
Yeah.
pitches for the different vehicles.
I think they do. I've heard that they do.
Like a fire truck is sometimes like lower, like a
it's
gruntier one. Yeah.
then-
So this one was a police car. You were right. Question 5.
Fireworks.
It is fireworks. One of my
love
favorite
fireworks.
sounds.
We were learning about this in school the other day. People on like the southern hemispheres, one of our teachers grew up in like Paraguay, I think it was.
Okay.
And since it's different seasons and it would be summer during Christmas for them,
Yep.
instead of like doing snow angels, they shot fireworks.
Oh, on Christmas?
Mhm.
That would be so fun.
That would be really cool.
Question 6.
Applause.
It is applause or like a crowd clapping. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Round of applause. Question 7.
Blow dryer?
Yep. Got to get that wet hair dry with the blow dryer. Parent challenge.
Waves.
Ocean waves.
Now that's a noise that I like to fall asleep.
There you go. That is probably a tie with thunderstorm for me. Such a serene, peaceful sound.
Yeah, and it's so distinct.
I love it. Good job, Ren. You were very good at
you.
naming sounds. Round 2. The category is cat breeds. Question 1. A Hemingway cat has extra what on its body? Question 2. What breed has a coat that sparkles in sunlight? Bengal, Maine Coon, or Russian Blue? Question 3. What is unusual about the Sphinx breed? Question 4. What breed of cat has ears that are bent and tucked against their head? Irish fold, Scottish fold, or Welsh fold? Question 5. What is the name of the largest breed of cat that shares its name with a U.S. state? Question 6. U.S. President Rutherford B. Hayes was given what royal breed of cat as a gift in 1878? Siamese, Australian Mist, or Bombay? Question 7. The Manx breed of cat is missing what body part? Parent challenge. What is the defining characteristic of a La Perm cat? Answers to round 2. Question 1. A Hemingway cat has extra what on its body?
Skin?
It has extra toes. They can have up to 7 toes on one paw. That is possum.
So like 6 or 7 toes on each foot?
Yes, 6-7, Ren. Question 2. What breed has a coat that sparkles in sunlight? Bengal, Maine Coon, or Russian Blue?
Russian Blue.
The answer is Bengal. The coat of a Bengal cat is known to sparkle in the sunlight due to a genetic trait called the glitter gene that results in the tips of their hair follicles becoming hollow and translucent. This hollow structure refracts light, giving the fur a glistening glitter-like sheen.
That's cool.
That's cool. Question 3. What is unusual about the Sphinx breed?
They don't have any hair.
They are hairless. This is caused by a genetic mutation and is accompanied by a lack of fur, prominent wrinkles, and large ears. This unique look is combined with other notable characteristics like a muscular body, a pear-shaped torso, and lemon-shaped eyes. They
I think they're
are...
pretty.
You do?
Yeah, I think that they're cool.
I don't think that they are the greatest looking cat, but I would like one.
Yeah, I agree with that. They're not the greatest looking cat, but I think it'd be cool to have one.
You know what I love? When they put them in sweaters.
Yes, it's so cute.
So cute. Question 4. What breed of cat has ears that are bent and tucked against their head? Irish fold, Scottish fold, or Welsh fold?
Say Scottish fold.
You are correct. Their distinct forward folding ears give them an owl-like or teddy bear appearance. So
That's cool.
Kind of looks like they don't even have ears because they're tucked against their heads. Real cute.
Yeah, I've seen those before. I think they're super cute.
All cats are super cute in my opinion.
Yeah.
Question 5. What is the name of the largest breed of cat that shares its name with a U.S. state?
I don't know.
This is called the Maine Coon.
Oh.
It is named after the state of Maine, where it is also the official state cat. These gentle giants can weigh up to 25 pounds or more and grow up to 3 feet 6 inches long. They are known for their large muscular bodies, fluffy coats, and friendly, playful personalities.
That's like as big as Brooks.
That would be kind of fun to have a cat that big.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're huge.
Yeah.
Question 6. U.S. President Rutherford B. Hayes was given what royal breed of cat as a gift in 1878? Siamese, Australian Mist, or Bombay?
Siamese.
You're correct. A Siamese cat named Siam was gifted to Rutherford B. Hayes in 1878. The American consul of Bangkok sent the cat to First Lady Lucy Hayes, and it is believed to be the very first Siamese cat to arrive in the United States.
I love Siamese. Just before this round, I was like, we are Siamese, if you please.
I, too, love Siamese. They're one of my favorites.
They're so pretty.
Question 7. The Manx breed of cat is missing what body part?
A nose.
They're missing their tail. The Manx breed is famous for being tailless, a trait that results from a genetic mutation affecting the spine. While some Manx cats have no tail at all, others can be born with a short stump or even a full tail.
Is that what our neighbor Clue has?
I don't know
it
if
was cut off.
I don't know if Clue is a Manx cat or just got it cut off. I'm not sure. Parent challenge. What is the defining characteristic of a La Perm cat?
Leopard print.
It has curly hair. La Perm.
Oh, I have a leopard.
La Perm cats have a unique curly or wavy coat. The coat is a result of a natural and dominant genetic mutation that first appeared in a barn cat in Oregon in 1982. The breed's name comes from this resemblance to a human permanent wave or perm.
Huh.
So kind of like a poodle has kind of a perm coat. The La Perm cat has curly hair.
That's cool. I like that name.
Leopard. I do too. I think I want a La Perm cat.
Leopard.
Round number 3. The category is book series. Question 1. In what popular book series would you find the Thunder Clan, Shadow Clan, Wind Clan, and River Clan? Question 2. The Harry Potter spell Wingardium Leviosa makes objects do what? Question 3. What is Dogman's sidekick's name? Question 4. In the Magic Treehouse book series, in what state do Jack and Annie live? Maryland, Pennsylvania, or Connecticut? Question 5. What is Junie B. Jones's little brother's name? Ollie, Robert, or Teddy? Question 6. What is Percy Jackson's magical weapon? A bow, a pen, or a locket? Question 7. The characters Clay, Tsunami, Glory, and Sunny are a part of which popular book series? Parent challenge. Leroy Brown is better known by what intelligent nickname? And now the answers to round number 3. Question 1. In what popular book series would you find the Thunder Clan, the Shadow Clan, the Wind Clan, and the River Clan?
Warrior cats?
Hey, you're right, it is warriors! This series follows the adventures of these clans of wild cats living in a fictional forest. Question 2. The Harry Potter spell Wingardium Leviosa makes objects do what?
Levitate.
Levitate or float is correct. Wingardium Leviosa.
It's Wingardium Leviosa.
Question 3. What is Dogman's sidekick's name?
Greg? No, he is Greg. Lil Pete.
Lil Petey!
I about said ADHD or Greg. He was Greg before he was Dogman.
That's right. Yeah, Dogman is Greg, but his sidekick's name is
Lil
Petey. And what's the bad guy's name? The big cat.
Petey.
Big Petey. Oh, I suppose that makes sense. Just Petey. Question 4. In the Magic Treehouse book series, in what state do Jack and Annie live? Maryland, Pennsylvania, or Connecticut?
Pennsylvania.
You're right. They live in Frog Creek, Pennsylvania. Very good. Question 5. What is Junie B. Jones's little brother's name? Ollie, Robert, or Teddy?
Robert.
His name is Ollie. Junie B. Jones's younger brother's name is Oliver Ollie Jones. He is the son of Susan and Robert Jones, and he was born in the book Junie B. Jones and a Little Monkey Business. I thought it was Stink, but Stink is the little brother of... Oh, Stink's sister is Judy Moody. Yeah, that's right. Question 6. What is Percy Jackson's magical weapon? A bow, a pen, or a locket?
A pen.
That is correct. A pen turns into a sword, and it's called Riptide.
Yes.
And it fits in his pocket.
Chiron gave him the pen before he even knew that he was a half-blood.
Okay. So it's just a regular pen, and then all of a sudden it turns into a sword?
And then you take off the cap.
And then he's like, on Riptide, and it turns into a sword, or what?
No, he just takes off the cap, and it's a sword.
Well, that's cool. That'd be a fancy little trick.
Yeah.
Question 7. The characters Clay, Tsunami, Glory, and Sunny are part of which popular book series?
I don't know.
They are in Wings of Fire. They are part of the original 5 Dragonettes of Destiny, who are destined to end a long-running war among the dragon tribes. Wings of Fire and warriors are similar-ish, except dragons versus cats, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Parent challenge. Leroy Brown is better known by what intelligent nickname?
I don't know, but I know that from Home Alone, the parrot singing in the shower, and he goes, Leroy Brown.
The baddest man in the whole town. You're totally right. That is a song. Leroy Brown in the book series, his nickname is Encyclopedia. Encyclopedia Brown is a series of children's books featuring the adventures of boy detective Leroy Brown, nicknamed Encyclopedia for his intelligence and range of knowledge. Encyclopedia Brown. He likes to serve detective stories. Round number 4. The category is video games. Question 1. What job did Mario have before he was a plumber? A police officer? A baker? Or a carpenter? Question 2. What is the rarest ore in Minecraft? Question 3. In what country does Forza Horizon 5 take place? Mexico, Brazil, or Spain? Question 4. What is the name of the owl who runs the museum in Animal Crossing? Blathers, Smithers, or Carruthers? Question 5. As of 2025, how many Pokemon types are there? 9, 18, or 27? Question 6. What color is Toadette's mushroom hat? Question 7. In the game Lego Jurassic World, certain characters can dig through what to find specific items needed to solve puzzles? Parent challenge. In the original 1987 NES game, what famous boxer could you face in the game Punch-Out if you reached the dream match? And now the round number 4 answers. Question 1. What job did Mario have before he was a plumber? A police officer? A baker, or a carpenter?
A carpenter.
You're right. Before becoming a plumber, Mario was a carpenter in his first appearance in the 1981 game Donkey Kong. His profession changed to plumber in the 1983 game Mario Brothers because the game takes place underground in a setting with pipes and sewers. Question 2. What is the rarest ore in Minecraft?
Diamond.
The answer is emerald. Emeralds are even harder to find than diamonds. Have you ever found an emerald?
No, but I've found a diamond before.
Well, emeralds are even rarer. That's probably why you haven't found one.
Diamonds are easy to find, actually.
Question 3. In what country does Forza Horizon 5 take place? Mexico, Brazil, or Spain?
Spain.
The answer is Mexico. The game features a fictional open-world representation of Mexico with 11 distinct biomes inspired by the country's diverse geography, from deserts to jungles to cities and volcanoes. And Forza Horizon 6, which is coming in 2026, is going to be set in Japan. Forza Horizon has games 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each game is set in a different place. And this one is in Mexico. Question 4. What is the name of the owl who runs the museum in Animal Crossing? Blathers, Smithers, or Carruthers?
Carruthers.
His name is Blathers. He is the curator of the museum and is known for his extensive knowledge of fish, fossils, insects, and art, though he is notably afraid of bugs. As an owl, he sleeps during the day but wakes up when a player approaches him with something to donate.
What if everyone has a giant line so he stays up the whole day? And then he has tired so he sleeps tonight. And then he's not tired so he sleeps today.
That would be wild. Question 5. As of 2025, how many Pokemon types are there? 9, 18, or 27?
27.
There are 18 official Pokemon types, with the most recent type being Fairy, which was added in Generation 6. The types include Normal, Fire, Water, Grass, Electric, Ice, Fighting, Poison, Ground, Flying, Psychic, Bug, Rock, Ghost, Dragon, Dark, Steel, and Fairy. A 19th type, Stellar, exists, but is specific only to certain games. Oh, I'm out of breath. That was a lot of Pokemon types. I only knew about Electric and Fire and Grass.
I know about Electric, Fire, Grass, Water, Strengthness, Rock. Yeah, that's it.
I did not know half of those. Question 6. What color is Toadette's hat?
Oh, white and pink.
Yeah, it's pink with white polka dots. Very good. So Toad is the boy, and he has a white and red hat. Toadette is the girl, and she has a pink and white hat. Question 7. In the game Lego Jurassic World, certain characters can dig through what to find specific items needed to solve puzzles?
Dirt.
They dig through dinosaur poop. Characters with the ability to rummage through these piles can uncover useful items. So do you remember in the first Jurassic Park where there's that big pile of dinosaur poo and she puts on that big long glove all the way up to her shoulder and she reaches her arm in there and digs through to see what he eats and those kinds of things? It's gross.
It's good.
Right, but in the game, they can do that, but then they find useful things to solve puzzles in the dinosaur poop. Gross! Parent challenge. In the original 1987 NES game, what famous boxer could you face in the game Punch-Out if you reached the dream match?
Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson.
Great guess, but the answer is Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson's really good.
Yeah, and it was called Mike Tyson's Punch-Out, and if you made it all the way to the end, you got to battle Mike Tyson himself.
Is it on the Switch or what?
No, it was on my original Nintendo. The old ones.
I want to get it.
Round number 5. The category is basketball. Question 1. How many players were on each team in the very first game of basketball? 5, 7, or 9? Question 2. What is it called when a player bounces the ball while moving? Question 3. What is the name of the U.S. basketball team that does crazy tricks and comedy? Question 4. What is the nickname of the NBA team in New Orleans? The Pelicans, the Saints, or the Cougars? Question 5. In the movie Space Jam, what is the name of the girl bunny who plays on the Looney Tunes team? Question 6. Which WNBA team won the 2025 national championship? The Indiana Fever, the Las Vegas Aces, or the Phoenix Mercury? Question 7. How many seconds are on the shot clock in an NBA game? 24, 35, or 50? Parent challenge. What is the name of the move where you fake a shot to trick defenders? Answers to round 5. Question 1. How many basketball players were on each team in the first game of basketball? 5, 7, or 9?
5.
The answer is 9. There were 9 players on each team in the first game of basketball. James Naismith divided his class of 18 students into 2 teams of 9 to play the first game on December 21st, 1891.
So there are only 2 teams?
Yeah, because he invented basketball. So the
Wait.
very first game, there was only 2 because he had just made it up.
Imagine having 2 teams. Okay, we're versing that team. Oh, we're versing that team again and again.
But think about 9 players. Right now, during a full game, there's only 10 players total. There's 5 on each team. And in the first game, there was 18 people on the court. That's a lot of people. Question 2. What is it called when a player bounces the ball while moving?
I dribble.
It is called dribbling. It is how players move without traveling. What is traveling?
It's like football. It's when you grab the ball and you start walking.
Right. You have to dribble while you're walking or else it's traveling. You're right. Question 3. What is the name of the U.S. basketball team that does crazy tricks and comedy?
I don't know. Lakers.
They are the Harlem Globetrotters. They spin balls, do flips, and make fans laugh. So they don't play in the NBA. They travel around the U.S. and they do kind of fun comedy shows, and they do all kinds of cool tricks, and they're really, really funny. Question 4. What is the nickname of the NBA team in New Orleans? The Pelicans, the Saints, or the Cougars?
Pelicanjola.
The New Orleans Pelicans is correct. Question 5 in the movie Space Jam. What is the name of the girl bunny who plays on the Looney Tunes team?
I forgot.
Her name is Lola.
Oh, yeah.
Lola Bunny. And who has a crush on her?
Bugs.
Bugs. He is pretty wild about Lola.
And Lola doesn't.
And Lola doesn't like him back. Nope. Question 6. Which WNBA team won the 2025 national championship? The Indiana Fever, the Las Vegas Aces, or the Phoenix Mercury?
Venus Moogly.
The answer is the Las Vegas Aces. The Aces won the 2025 WNBA championship, defeating the Phoenix Mercury in a 4-game sweep. This was the Aces' 3rd WNBA title in 4 years, and they clinched the victory with a final score of 97-86. So these Aces must be really good if they've won the last 3 out of the 4 championships. That's amazing! Question 7. How many seconds are on the shot clock in the NBA? 24, 35, or 50?
50.
The answer is 24. So what is a shot clock?
It's like how long you get to stay in the paint for.
It is how long you can be on offense before you have to shoot the ball. You kind of have a time limit when you're on offense, and you have to shoot the ball within 24 seconds, or else you get a shot clock violation. Parent challenge. What is the name of the move where you fake a shot to trick defenders?
A juke.
Oh, juke is kind of what you do in football. In basketball, you do a pump fake. So you have the ball, you pretend like you're going to shoot, so you sort of lift it up, do a shoot motion. But then instead, you dribble around them and go shoot for real. Pump fake.
And now it's time for the final exam. Now remember, you've heard these questions in the previous rounds, but these were the hardest ones we've had. So use your memory and try to think back to what the answers are.
Question 1. What breed of cat has a coat that sparkles in sunlight?
A Bengal.
Question 2. In the Magic Treehouse book series, in what state do Jack and Annie live?
Pennsylvania.
Question 3. What breed of cat has ears that are bent and tucked against their head?
A Scottish Fold.
Question 4. What is Percy Jackson's magical weapon?
A pen.
Question 5. How many players were on each team in the first game of basketball?
9.
Question 6. What country is Forza Horizon 5 set in?
Mexico.
Question 7. How many seconds are on the shot clock in the NBA?
24.
And here come your shout-outs. Cats comes from Anna.
Thank you, Anna.
Cat breeds comes from Penny.
Thank you, Penny.
Warriors comes from Lily from Montana.
Oh, thank you, Lily from Montana.
Forza Horizon 5 comes from Miles.
Thank you, Miles.
Mario and Lego come from Rebecca and Ewan.
Thank you, Rebecca and Ewan.
And basketball comes from Abigail and her sister Shira.
Thank you, Abigail and Shira.
And you know what it's time for. It's birthday time. Our first birthday shout out goes out to listener Nyla, who is turning 7. Happy birthday, Nyla. And her birthday is on Halloween. Nyla enjoys learning, reading, science, dance, playing soccer, specifically goalie, 90s kids movie nights, being a big sister to Nolan, Niles, and Nori. Nyla is a silly, energetic, curious beam of light who everyone loves to be around, and your family says, "We love you. Happy birthday!" Nyla, you are turning 7, and you love learning and playing soccer, specifically the goalie. You love 90s kids, movie nights, and being a big sister. Happy birthday, Nyla. You are turning 7 on Halloween. Happy birthday, Nyla. Our next shout out goes to listener Kai, who is turning 10. Double digits. Kai is from Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and he loves science, Lego, tennis, Harry Potter, and his brother Kenji. Happiest of happy birthdays, Kai, from Camille and Everett. Happy 10th birthday to a guy named Kai. If you looked in the sky, would you get hit by a pie? Do you know how to tie a necktie? Do you know how to fry something in a frying pan? We want to say hi to Kai. Happy 10th birthday. Happy birthday, Kai! Our next birthday shout out goes to Joshua Mpofu, who is turning 6. Happy birthday, Joshua. He loves doing capoeira, running track, and playing basketball. Joshua is an awesome helper, and he enjoys helping his mom cook. How fun! Happy birthday, Joshua. You are turning 6, and you love running and doing capoeira and playing basketball. Yeah, you're an awesome helper, and you like to help your mom cook. Happy 6th birthday, Joshua. We hope 6 has all the kicks. Happy birthday, Joshua. Our next birthday shout out goes to David, who is turning 8. Happy birthday, David. He enjoys playing soccer and basketball and being with his friends. He also loves trivia and doing puzzles. David has a huge heart and is a great big brother to Joshua. Happy birthday, David. You are turning 8. And you love to play soccer and basketball and hanging out with your friends. And you love trivia and doing puzzles. You've got a huge heart and you're a great big brother. We want to wish you the best 8th birthday ever. Happy birthday, David. Our next birthday shout out goes to Sierra, who is turning 6. Happy birthday, Sierra. Her birthday is also on Halloween, and she loves having a Halloween birthday. She is going to dress up as a purple princess for Halloween. That is awesome. You can come trick-or-treat at my house. Sierra lives in Texas, and she is the sweetest little girl with a big heart for animals, especially her cats, Izzy, Pip, and Pan. Sierra loves art, dancing, reading, playing with dolls and Barbies, and swimming. She is super excited for her birthday party at the dance studio this year. And your mom says, I love you so much, Sierra. Sierra, you are turning 6 on Halloween, and you are going to be a purple princess. And you live in Texas, and you love animals, especially your cats. You love art, and dancing, and reading, and playing with dolls, and going swimming. Happy birthday. Sierra, you are 6 on Halloween. We hope it's super great. Happy birthday, Sierra. Our next shout out goes to listener Alex, who is turning 11. Happy birthday, Alex. Alex lives in Seattle, Washington. He has an 8-year-old sister named Charlotte and a King Charles dog named Kingston. Alex loves playing basketball, going to Mariners and Kraken games, going to the movies, eating at Joey's Kitchen, and all things Pokemon. Alex and his dad have a Pokemon card selling business, and Alex has attended 12 Pokemon card shows as a vendor. He is a great negotiator, even with adults, and he saves his profits. And his parents are so proud of the early entrepreneur he is becoming. Alex's top card is a PSA 10 Greninja from the Twilight set, which is valued around $1,000. For his 11th birthday this year, Alex is taking 3 close friends to Sandbox VR so they can fight zombies and have a blast. And they will be attending a front row card show as customers. That's so cool. Alex, you are turning 11 and you live in Seattle, Washington. You have a sister named Charlotte and a dog named Kingston, and you love playing basketball and going to Mariners games and Kraken games and movies and eating at Joey's Kitchen. But don't forget that you love all things Pokemon and you are selling like crazy. Alex, you're taking care of business every day and you're turning 11. That's super great. Happy birthday, Alex. Keep it up. That is super awesome. Happy birthday. Our next shout out goes to Iris Kersey, who just turned 8. Happy birthday, Iris. She loves gymnastics, drawing, and her dog, Onyx. Iris enjoys reading and playing with her friends, and she is so talented and creative. And she is the best big sister. Happy birthday to Iris. We hope that 8 was great. You love gymnastics and drawing and Onyx and reading and playing with friends. Iris, you're so talented and creative, and you are the very best big sister. We wish you the happiest birthday. Iris, we hope you celebrate 8. Happy birthday, Iris! Our next birthday shout out goes to listener Athena, who just turned 8. Happy birthday, Athena. She is incredibly smart and sweet. Athena spent the last year battling a very rare autoimmune disorder that attacked her brain. She spent a ton of time, 3 months in total, as a patient at the Children's Hospital. Her family is so beyond proud of her recovery, and they are so excited to watch her heal and grow this year. Athena loves singing and dancing, and she is a big sister to her 5-year-old brother. Happy birthday to Athena. You just turned 8 years old. You are super sweet and really smart. You had a tough year last year, but you are super duper strong, and you are recovering and healing and growing. That's so great. We're so happy that you're starting to feel better. You keep singing and dancing and say hi to your brother. Happy 8th, Athena. We think you're super great. We hope that you have the very best birthday ever, Athena. Happy birthday, girl. Our next birthday shout out goes to listener Rosemary, who is turning 8. Happy birthday, Rosemary. She lives in Louisiana, but is about to have a big military move to Germany. Thank you guys for your service. Rosemary has an awesome big brother named Isaac, a cute little sister named Bella, and another baby sister on the way. Rosie is fun and a very loving big sister. She is a talented singer and dancer, and she loves to cartwheel everywhere. Her favorite movie is K-pop Demon Hunters, and her favorite book is Harry Potter. Rosie is adored by her mom, dad, Isaac, and Bella, and they say, "We love you, Rosie Posey. Happy birthday." Happy birthday, Rosie. You are turning 8, and you're about to move to Germany. You have a brother named Isaac and a sister, Bella, and another baby sister on the way. Rosie, you are fun and very loving and a talented singer and dancer. You love to cartwheel, and your favorite movie is K-pop Demon Hunters. Happy 8th birthday to Rosie! I hope number 8 is super great, just like you are. Happy birthday, Rosie! And our last shout out goes to listener Gavin, who is turning 7. Happy birthday, Gavin. He lives in Georgia with his mom, dad, little brother, and kitty named Zoe. Gavin loves Pokemon, Minecraft, chess, puzzles, and axolotls. When Gavin's not having fun with friends, you can find him doing jujitsu or reading a Who Would Win book. Happy birthday, Gavin. Love Mommy, Daddy, Colin, and Zoe Kitty. They love you so much. Gavin spells Gavin. You are turning 7 years old, Gavin. You love Pokemon and Minecraft, chess and puzzles and axolotls. Happy birthday to Gavin. You like having fun with friends and doing jujitsu. Reading Who Would Win books. I think you would win, Gavin. Happy birthday to you, Gavin. Happy 7th, bud. And here comes your conversation starter. Ren, if you could only play one sport for the rest of your life, which one would you pick?
Oh, that's hard. Either golf or volleyball.
Yeah, I said one.
Either one, I don't know.
You would just say, put me in either one and I'll be happy. Those are good choices.
Golf,
though. Okay, golf. That's great. You can golf until you're very old.
Yeah.
So I think that's a great choice.
Yeah.
I would probably pick golf as well. Let's golf until we're old, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Thank you for listening, everybody.
Good night.
And goodbye. And have a great week.
For us, but maybe not for you. Bye.
Thank you for listening to the Trivia for Kids podcast. If you haven't done so already, please give us a 5-star review. Birthday shoutouts are for paid Patreon subscribers, so join our Patreon and you can get a birthday shoutout. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and follow our YouTube channel so you can see all of our live videos.